You have incredible potential. Deep inside is a better version of you. Unleashing this potential is possible. It's about growth and self-improvement. Everyone can become better. It's a journey we all can take. Start small, dream big. Positive change is within your grasp. Believe in yourself and the amazing things you can achieve. You are capable of amazing things. This isn't just about today, it's about building a better future. Take the first step. Your future self will thank you. Habits are the building blocks of your life. Good habits help you grow. Bad habits hold you back. Identifying your bad habits is crucial. Start by changing one small habit at a time. Replace a bad habit with a good one. Consistency is key. Small changes lead to big results over time. Track your progress. Celebrate your victories. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every day is a chance to improve. Keep moving forward. Goals give you direction. They provide a roadmap for self-improvement. Start with small, achievable goals. Write them down clearly. Break down big goals into smaller steps. This makes them feel less overwhelming. Each small step brings you closer to success. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Review your goals regularly. Adjust them as needed. Life changes, and so should your goals. Keep your goals challenging but realistic. Make time for self-improvement every day. Even a few minutes can make a difference. Read a book, learn a new skill, or meditate. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who inspire you. Limit exposure to negativity. Take care of your physical health. Eat healthy foods, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Never stop learning and growing. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn. Self-improvement is a continuous journey, not a destination.